Well, everybody's talking about artificial intelligence, and I guess we need to talk about that for sure here in order to rest a little bit all this guest experience in the human activity and human touch, and leave all these marginal situations that maybe this kind of innovation can be done without human touch. So I guess we need to go back to the important things about guest experience, that is humanity and close, to be close one to each other, and then leave those marginal things to the technology and innovation. I believe that we need to put a little bit of focus in secondary cities. For instance, in Spain, we always think about Madrid, Barcelona, Valencia, but I'm sure that secondary cities that we may think about them as secondary have a huge opportunity in order to grow and make flexible living a very good improvement regarding their services, all the offer that they can give for this new situation that we will be managing in 2030 and much closer than this. So I think we need to focus on those cities and help them to grow and lead this kind of movement that we're living. To me, the most important thing is regulation and norm, and all the fiscal regulation, urbanistics. It is huge modifications that we are going to suffer and enjoy in this sector. So to me, that's the most important thing, because it's going to be the main point that will lead us to do or not, to innovate or not, and that help us or not to grow as a sector. So to me, the most important thing now is that we are not having an equal system, and this is going to be hard work to do. To me, the most important thing is meeting part of the main actors of this sector, and the importance that we have to give to those professionality. I mean, we come from a sector that used to be somebody that have a house and want to rent it, and now we need to focus on the professionality and how to improve the way we manage this in a professional way, using all the tools that the innovation is giving to us and how to manage them. So to me, that is one of the key points being here in Vitur, and as well all the conversation regarding regulation. Again, sorry, but it's so important to me, and how this is going to impact us.